Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Databutton versus Bolt. So if you don't know what these two are, Databutton is an AI tool that lets users build full stacks with natural language. It is great for MVPs and quick prototypes. While Bolt, on the other hand, is an AI-based, browser-native platform to create full-stack apps instantly from prompts. It is designed for speed and ease with zero setup. Now let's discuss their pros and cons, starting with Databutton here. So the pros of Databutton is that it has no coding needed, it has full stack support, and Python backend included. Now the cons of it is that it is limited for advanced logic, it has slower UI compared to others, and it is basically expensive to subscribe. Now let's head on over to Bolt.new here and discuss its pros and cons. So the pros of Bolt.new is that it is fast and browser-based. It has built-in integrations like Supabase, and it has a clean UI and quick development. Now the cons of it is that it has less backend flexibility, and it is still in the early stage and may lack stability. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Databutton if you need a Python backend app quickly without writing code. And you should choose Bolt.new if you want a smoother, faster, no setup tool to launch web apps directly from your browser. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.